Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to simplify rational expressions by factoring them first. We can see that we have two examples. We'll first start with this example where we have 2x squared minus 6x divided by 2x squared. First thing you would want to do is to identify what you can factor out from both the top and bottom. On the top, we can see that we have coefficients of 2 and the coefficient of 6 in front of the x's. So that means we can factor something out of these coefficients, like 2, because we can factor 2 out of a 2. 2 times 2 times 1 is 2, and then 2 times 3 is 6. So they're both divisible by 2. So that means we can factor a 2 out from both of them. And we can also see that we have x's in common. That means we can also factor out 1x from both of them. We'll have 2x, and then we'll put parentheses. So factoring 2x out of 2x squared will leave us with only x to the power 1. And the negative sign will be carried down here. And then factoring 2x out of 6x, we'll just have 3 remaining. And you can check if this is right by distributing them over again. 2x times x gives us 2x squared. 2x times negative 3 gives us negative 6x. Alright, so the top part seems pretty good. We'll just write the denominator. We can't really factor out anything from the denominator. Now we can start canceling numbers which are common on both top and bottom. We can see 2 is up here and also down here, so we can cancel them out. 1 and 1. And we have an x on top and 2 x's on bottom. That means this one has an exponent of 1. This is an exponent of 2. So we can subtract this 1 from this 2, because since it's division, we subtract the exponents. So this will become just 1. X to the power 0 is just 1. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So x to the power 1 is remaining. In this step, be careful not to miss out on the x. We still have this x at the bottom. So on the top, we just have 1 times x minus 3. So x minus 3. On the bottom, we just have x. This would be the most simplest form for this expression. All right, moving on to the second example. We have 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 divided by x squared minus x minus 12. You can see that we have to factor both top and bottom in this case. We'll put parentheses. Alright, so the first term over here is 2x squared, so we'll just write 2x and then x here. So now we need two numbers that will add up to 5x and will be multiplied to be negative 3. So to add up to 5x, we'll have we'll just have negative 1 and a positive 3. Now let's check. 2x times positive 3 gives us positive 6. Adding to that, if you do negative 1 times x, it's negative x. So positive 6x minus x gives us positive 5x. And also negative 1 times positive 3 gives us negative 3. Alright, in the bottom we'll have x. Since there's coefficient of 1, we'll just have x and x. And we'll have two numbers that'll add up to negative 1 and multiply to negative 12, which is 3 and 4. If we have negative 4 and positive 3, we'll have a negative 1x. And negative 4 times positive 3 will give us negative 12. So we'll have x plus 3 and minus 4. Alright, now we can start canceling them out. We have on the top x plus 3, and also on the bottom we have x plus 3. That'll go away with just 1 and 1. And the remaining bits we can't really do much, so we'll just rewrite them. 2x minus 1 times 1. We don't have to write that, it's there. and 1 times x minus 4, x minus 4. So that'll be the final answer for this example. I hope this video helps. Thank you.